Parthasarathi. I am working in ChipKits for last 1 month as open source developer. I am going to talk about Pidgin. Pidgin is an instant messenger. It provides communication between two or more people. Let us see past, present, future. In past, IRC, that is Internet Relay Chat. After that, AOL Instant Messenger. Nowadays we are using Yahoo Messenger, MSN and Google Talk, etc. Let us see features of Pidgin. Chatting, sending messages and etc. can be done in Pidgin very easier, and then it can save conversation for later use, and the software can be downloaded and start from our desktop itself, and then it is very quick in exchanging of information, and it can transfer up to 4 GB of data. Here is the person Mark Spencer, the author of Pidgin. The program was originally written on 1999. The number of Pidgin users were estimated around 3 million in 2007. It helps to communicate with different protocols, that is, it can chat, we can have a chat in Yahoo Messenger, Google Talk, MSN, etc. And it is an all-in-one software that it provides AIM, IRC, MSN, Google Talk, MySpace, Yahoo Messenger, Jabber, etc. When do you use Pidgin? If you want to have a different IAMs in a single software, we can go with this Pidgin. And if you want to have a file transfer with a higher speed, you can use this. Now that it is a multi-platform, it can run in any OS, and it helps to have a contact list, so that if you want to have a contact with a person, you can easily go to the contact list and can send a message or have a chat over there. When to not use Pidgin? Nowadays, in this video conferencing is not an enabled feature, and it is and it doesn't have a voice service also. It is a short installation. These are the installation guides. If you talk about advantages, it is an all-in-one software. As you know, we have Google Talk, MSN and Yahoo Messenger in single software, and it can run in more than one OS, like Microsoft, Mac OS and Linux, etc. And then it provides multi-tabbing, that is it can run in if you are running in Yahoo Messenger, you can switch over to Google Talk, and then more than one instant message at a time. And then main advantage is it occupies less space when compared to other instant messengers, and it doesn't support video and audio. These are the references. If you want some additional information, you can see this. If you want to catch me, you can log off to this. Thank you.